Oh man, well first off, if you guys missed yesterday's video, first drive, bro. Check it out, it was insane. First things first though, we gotta go to Ross's shop. People always rip around my house. We gotta go, I gotta close this. Like a big spoiler. We gotta go and get the front bumper for the Kooky because that's kind of a big missing part on our car. Even though we'll have to take it off anyway because we gotta put the bash bar on once it comes in. But yeah, we just at least want to put it on, clean things up a little bit, make it look better in the time being. So off to Ross's. Man, it's humid out today. Woo! Look at that! Who would have thought you could fit a front bumper in a Z? Because this car is actually way smaller than the 240, but it is raining, which kind of sucks. Oh, I gotta get some parts. AutoZone, where you at? Let's see if they're local. All right, so we got our parts. Back home we go. Not really too sure what today's gonna hold. I do have to go ahead and change. I just got caliper and brake rotors I gotta do on my dad's truck. So, and it's raining, which kind of sucks. So, hopefully the rain kind of holds off here. But yeah, it's wishful thinking. And then I really wanted to go get the S14 like properly out on the street, get the bumper on. We have some Haltech goodies that we have to go ahead and put on for our race pack to make that look super, super nice. But we'll kind of see what we can get done today. I have to get the video up. It's currently 1:20. Today might be a little bit vloggier style, man, and I apologize, but like I said, you know, sometimes days just be like this. Sometimes I'm just running around, getting stuff done, and just, you know what I mean? It's just the way she be. So appreciate anyone that's gonna be chilling with me today, but like I said, we still might be getting some pretty awesome stuff done. So I mean, over there looks pretty clear, so that's where I'm going. So fingers crossed. We in the G hood right now though. We out here, sketchy area. It's okay though. We just rolling through in our fresh Z. Well, it's been like months since I've hit up the old T-Bell. Been seeing that commercial about their nacho fries lately, so I had to do it. There's our sauce. That's good. Are they just Reggie fries? I mean, I feel like there's a little too much hype on these. Nothing too special. They're good. I mean, nothing too crazy though. Alright, so just post the first drive video live for you guys. I don't know where all this time goes, but I need to go ahead and get this bumper at least fitted up and in place. One thing I'm kind of worried about is the oil cooler. It might be in the way, but let's see what we can do. Alright, so quickly now we have to kind of go ahead and do some trimming of this thing. Obviously we have a huge front mount on this guy. So as you guys can see, the difference, basically chopped off that portion, kind of just follow the line, you know what I mean? Follow the line, cut down, nice and smooth. So that should kind of give us the room we need. Damn, son. First time this thing, well, actually not the first time, but, well, with this setup, yeah, man, first time this thing's been complete with a front bumper, and man, it looks tough. Damn. But for now, I think I'm gonna have to move it, get it out the way, and I'm actually gonna bring it in my dad's truck so I can do some brakes on that thing. But I figured I'd just give you guys a quick little, you know what I mean? Like, you know what I'm saying? Why not? We're back to the point of view. Let me know what you guys think about these this point of view style. I think it's cool because then I can kind of use my hands and just kind of take you guys in with me on whatever it is I'm doing. And the only thing that sucks is I can't, like, you guys can't see me unless we do this, but this is probably gonna get really weird. Hey, yeah, so that's not, let's not do that. I am going to dive into this thing today. Hopefully, that's the thing, I can't even also see what I'm filming. So let's just kind of dive in and see what we got in here. I probably look so ridiculous, but you know what? It's all right. Damn, man. Oh yeah. All right, so this looks like we're gonna have some fun with this, I think. So let's hop in the car here. This could be a little bit tricky here. All right, so first thing, we're gonna go ahead and just take out the race pack. First things first. Hang on. You guys missed the install video. Check it out. So now we'll go ahead and take off this little trim piece. All right, so I trimmed the edges a little bit, kind of just a rough cut, just to see where we're at. See what we gotta trim out. Oh yeah, we definitely gotta trim out some mouth. I chopped the hell out of this thing. So I guess we'll kind of see where we're at now. I chopped the hell out of it. Now the problem is gonna be, can we get it in here in one piece? Right. Oh, progress. All right, I think, oh boy, oh, she's in. That looks really nice. Hopefully you guys can see that. Might have to whip out the old DSLR again, but here we got this thing. Just to give a quick, oh bro. It's like slightly off. That looks really good though. All right, time to make it official now. But this is looking nice. We have no gap up top, none on the sides, and just here down here at the bottom we have like a finger's width. But I mean, you're never really gonna see that. And if we were to bring it flush up, I mean, the whole thing would be angled so like tilted back. You know, even as it sits right now, it's kind of at the cusp where I'd want to like lean it forward, but I don't think I'm going to because it's still at like a good point. I mean, it cleans up everything really nice. Oh, by the way, obviously, this is no longer in there. You know, there's no room for this. Well, let's take it out. Let's go ahead and now let's put it in for the final, you know what I mean? Get the race pack in there, and damn man, that's pretty solid. It looks pretty legit. Uh-oh. Oh, hey now, there we go. Okay, wait, oh, nope. Oh my goodness, yes. All right, so right now I'm just gonna go ahead and hook up the USB cable to the actual race pack just permanently. You know, just because it's gonna be annoying, like if you ever wanna program or change something, to go ahead and take out the whole dash. So we'll just go ahead and plug this sucker in, and then basically just run the USB cable. I don't know, maybe we can find some place neat to route it. Maybe I can just we can get over here by the ECU one, you know? Just make our life a whole lot easier. All right, well, it is complete and it looks, I mean, let me know what you guys think. Let me know how you think I did. All right, hang on, we'll shut her down because you can't see it with it. So, it's real dark in there, so it's really not much to see, and it's also kind of late, but super clean, you know? There you go, got a little bit of a light action for you. But yeah, I'm about it. Super clean, you know, like it's just a really clean dash now. Super simplistic. Now, even if you guys wanted, you know, there's spaces on the left and the right sides for gauges, you know? So if you want to toss in a little extra gauge, but the race pack, I mean, that's going to show us everything, you know? So doesn't hurt to just keep things clean, you know? So I'm happy with that. Essentially, I don't even know if I mentioned to you guys, but I just had two little screws up top holding it on the top end, and then basically the bottom is just like, it's super I mean, that's not moving anywhere. So it's kind of wedged in. This bottom portion of the like the actual trim piece clicks in, so that kind of keeps everything in place. And then the whole, like, it no longer flickers anymore when we turn the dimmer on, so that's always good. Sweet, man. All right, cool. Job well done, I think. All right, guys, imagine that. It is pitch black again. That's gonna be it for today's video. Today kind of got a little scrambled around just because we had to work on the truck and get the brakes done, but tomorrow, guys, tomorrow is going to be a big one because we're going to go ahead and take this thing out for a proper drive, getting on the street. Obviously, the first drive video was just kind of a shakedown, make sure there's no leaks, make sure she's not going to overheat, nothing weird happens, everything's good and tight and stuff like that. So, by the way, if you guys missed the heads up, first of all, we have our dyno day scheduled, so I am actually heading down to Kentucky. I think it's the 17th or the 18th of August, and I'll be back on the 27th. So I'll be there for a while, just over a week. So in that time we have a lot of content, guys, a lot of street tuning. We're gonna do a lot of dyno stuff. So basically we're doing pump gas stuff first, and then we're gonna switch up to E85 at the very end, which will be like the final weekend that I'm there. So a lot of content. I'm now debating, should I drive the car down? I mean, it's a 9-hour trip, it's like 600 miles. Should I drove my car down. I think it would be only right if we drove the S14 down, you know what I mean? It'd be some good content. But alright, guys, it is 10 o'clock. I need to eat some food. I am so hungry. I haven't eaten dinner yet. But thank you guys so much for watching, man. Like I said, tomorrow's going to be a one you guys do not want to miss. We're going to take this thing out on the street and actually maybe get into boost a little bit. And yeah, man, we'll have the laptop with us, make sure all look good as far as air to fuel ratios and stuff like that. So tomorrow will be a real drive with the car. And now that it's like complete and stuff like that, well, you know, she's looking good. So thanks again for watching, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good night. Later.